yada. Nanim actress na woman no government contract, oji government contract man na on endorse NPP no. Actress na or to East Legon ha Kennedy oji government contract and man no because Good evening. Good evening, Ebusian for me church will be East Legon landlady Masaba. Ebusian for me church will be Good evening, me church will be I hope send your meadum will be a well. Me pamacho me pese me address and you maybe. Pese me address issues be. Be home videos be bre, e be ye videos, e be tag me, e be D&D. Eno me ye video no me can wo. Me say. Se kine Agyapong na ma me reply me. Wa wo pese wo trending on. Wo de wa wo pe fame no. Because me wo come asem na me man ke bi anche wa enko baby ya. Me se wo me din kama asem eno krampo na ye de ebe tag me no ye be ka say hwan replies Tracey Boakye hwan replies Tracey Boakye no eno krampo no se me man ka bia enko baby. Yes into say all the upper trend na on na wa be bo wani a kire me say Tracey Boakye me she da be kan wa asem. Yes Tracey Boakye me ba be kan wa asem nti na e ya she da be reply me na ma be reply ye wo ha e na Kennedy Agyapong ekotena the seats ekoka say me the video mo say a political season and I say papa no issue and so what papa no is not a politician and so what work nipa dom edimochi aba. It was nice when a platform to say Nana did this, Nanado did this, Nanado did this, so let's vote for him again. Then you use that platform to insult. Also, a platform, no say my opposition party. You are giving attention to the opposition party with this big platform. Are you trying to say 4 years? No man, Bibiana. Are you trying to say Agyapong? Are you trying to say 4 years? No, man, yashi. Ye buy ye way, ye buy ye school way, ye see hospital way, enti minuanum Ghana for monsan ko toma na no meto so. Ana ye buy ye anya hwe, enti John Mahama, oni ni nua Ibrahim, eno kwa na tim kokan. Are you trying to say mo anya hwe, enti ye ntumu ana de wo ye de, na meka say me se na me gina wiye ne mu bia. Me ntoma ba ma NPP. Ke Agyapong, untimi fa me ye wo campaign no. I'm addressing Oma omo comment ai e na akraketwa e na akodidi panimu atem odidi matem first one say me na si chele did I come and insult him? Kennedy can say or many obi naked video na me de akoma you ani nka me kama no tuma senko obi adwebe and say video bi wo baby ampa. I came to dare him say on for video nembra up till ne minim say na me ka say no the video ko ne beba na Kennedy na anim no da bi on kra docket say da bi okra docket or one year ma okra documents. Sorry. Go. Kind of cold. You're cold there. Sorry. Okra niema. Inti adenti na on fasa niema no ba abonten. Ye be there wo ntimi amfa ba. Why you ho menim the all my false information. Why you ho and a fear 450 and a fear $450,000. You are a liar. I just want Ghanaians to know you are a liar. Ebi amakoma ba me kasa. I talk on top of my voice. They said the enra me you know. But when people phone before me, and I just say, and namin san kasa na min kasa ye na min chire munche Ghana for say you are a liar. What is this $450,000 chinchina? Upesa would share His Excellency Aden. Sikenia, this a time be out chere the wo. Sikenia, and I'm fear way, and I'm talk. So what to die? It means you're a liar. What to die over $1 million amount of baby mamas. And I would now see as a politician, I thought a dime $450,000 a mammy. Why are you making my $450,000 a big deal for you? Now 450, if you 1 million, ma say neka. You are a liar. Oh, $100,000 dan kra won't be my baby mama biada. Now him actress na woman no government contract, oji government contract man no na on endorse NPP no. Actress na or to East Legon ha Kennedy oji government contract man no because you sleep with her. I remember that me baby no before they near mama me. You sleep with an actress in East Legon here. Oji government contract man no any ne papa. Na me busa say celebrities no mo ye 4 more for nana no. What your contract amom? At least so mo de omo ye adwuma mama. What your contract amom? No. Actress ya making on share mu t-shirt da. On share mu t-shirt da. Ye ka omo disika aban sika di twa Kennedy and Kebi because we are number 1. What posted? Did you go for say? What posted my video? Go many masses, son. Oh, when you had no macon not to normal show. Oh, when you di. Oh, man, Casasso no mamma for Haji. But me, dear, we are a man who said, what Chagana front trache? What Chagana front tro ache? Nessa, we are where some are told dying, and I are told dying $450,000 a mamma. And up till now, I won't find evidence and buy it. Agyapong me say ma wo kan nyina adenti na wontimi for evidence ba kuma me say ma there what there wo de mo bi oni mi bia fa evidence empro mo bi oni mi bia fa evidence empro so woni campaign message on wo ye panimu emfa wano metoto manu so wo je mic ne say woni campaign message me di Tracey Boakye don't mention it again. Is it too hard for you? 450,000 aye one night me 450,000 no I don't know what dream you just say what that one because sikani you but you say what 1 million ma o ma ni o ma wunyina na afi ade na sebio wa wo meye president da no wo timi to dan $1 million mo de on na wo na sebi onu abe president da no to 450,000 more ba you have the gas to talk about it. Yes wo hwia ban sika chen wo no se sa na tie de anya wo wiye sika ne bi chen no na maka kire no me de fo asem ma me so enfa wasem emba me so omo ye video reply me no hey me say open trend na oh come and see me my reply video it goes into the gutters and I did attempt there me magia did attempt kumi aka 2016 nga me wu you I did attempt na wo benya se me mpo magia time me ya dia waste time be did matem ase I am using you. I am using you. Because no be akra nya sa attention no. 29 years girl, my time. I am using you. So when you be aka, oko jina pla, ope cry ya men campaign because you don't have anything to say. And I want to make us say yaya kwan way. Ye way because munye. So why ya prove me wrong. So why ya prove me wrong? Sami je fi moma ne wan na akra mi o ma je me ye no ntimi nka wi because e doso. Utimi nya 2-3 hours. Ya o kan ye papa no e na papa no. You think you have a message? You think you have a good message? Is that a message you have to tell your people that followed you for the walk? Message I walk at you mo ne o call walk no no. Me emfa wani me si me so. Emfa mani wani e me si me so. I have never seen you with my naked eye before in Agyapong. What's now TV so did my 10 first one? I didn't talk. I came out to dare you say for video no brana semonfana semonko. You didn't bring any video. In fact, one can't say no hwe biem. O ma Ghana for nyina hu say wo ye trofo. En tro na de bia utwa to joma ni ni nuane so. O ye trofo. What's that NPP work so as I can find microphone say dia ben Dubai na Tracey Boakye no ma to fie $450,000 na den. Eno so enra me save na deal ene wo program no mama me cousin bi te ho a wo hwe me nhwo kra na me boa befu me cousin ne te ho a wo hwe se wo na obebo se hwan ne bebo for evidence bra. I want you to prove me wrong. Magana for mu se me dia wo kan yampa fa bra. Bring your evidence. Ena me wodan wa ha, ena me we wa ha. Ye ni masika fo mo okrom ha. East Legon ha me nte ha. Amanfo fie dudu ekrum ha utwa ma yetimi che we fie ni wonti se kan Agyapong fie ni da woni ten. Stop bragging na wo kasa dodo mimi ye cheap girl and I'm saying nyane fo a ko wanya 22 awo enyane fo a nka wanya 22 awo share me I respect obi oni me bia nim say me buade. But odi aye me back, odi aye me mienu. And at the end of buffuni say if I don't come and talk, people might think it's true. Meanwhile, so government contract, who na wojima o actress lady. Who na wojima no? Who government contract man? Who sa jima wa asebema? Am I lying? Me boa. Kennedy. And some dear enra me TV. But I am still respecting you as Penimu. Enra den sem die. Enra me a live video no. I got people from your party calling me to tell me say na wo Kennedy no nya no pa no wo jeja ne sa no. Che say yesi manyo. Yes. We can't speed ramp on nko ade no kra no. Amanfo si buyi. Eno kra no onko fo si menya o mejeja. But I am still giving you the risk. Me, I'm not scared of you. I am not scared of you. Me means throw. And try now chat to me so now mama move be mu da. Try to me so. That means that the Beyonce now cut to a man for son. You are a liar. I was one of those people who always used to say Kennedy your can crew. Oh, try to me so I went to me and prove me wrong. I'm say, oh, can crew. Ghana ha obi beka a dear sema it shouldn't be you. Obi kodi obi you are the last person that should talk about a DA because one me who say wo peche. One na beka wa say one na be si wontuma gufu one ma ye who say wo peche. Na mo ye video na Kennedy de obekun na hwe hu ye no obekun obekire bo. Kenja ko ni be po si say ke. Obekire bo. Uti wi aso obi who say wo de obi kan wa bekun.